In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform your photos using presets in Lightroom. Whether you're a budding photographer or just looking to give your photos a consistent look, presets can be a powerful tool to enhance your editing process. First, you'll need to start by purchasing and downloading a preset zip file from Etsy, a popular platform where creators offer a wide range of presets designed to suit various styles and aesthetics. Before proceeding, ensure you're logged into your Etsy account, making the purchasing process smooth and hassle-free. Once your payment is completed, the download link will typically be available in your purchase history on Etsy. Simply click on the link and your file should start downloading automatically to your device, usually into the Downloads folder on your computer. Once you have the zip file downloaded, the next step is to extract the files from it. If you're using a PC, you can do this by right-clicking the zip file and selecting Extract All. On a Mac, simply double-click the zip file and it should automatically unzip into a new folder. Inside, you will typically find a series of files with a .xmp extension. These are your presets ready to be imported into Lightroom. Now let's jump into Lightroom, where the magic truly begins. Open Lightroom on your device and navigate to the Preferences section. Depending on the version of Lightroom you're using, this can usually be found in the top menu. Once you're in the Preferences menu, look for the Presets tab. This tab is your gateway to importing new presets into Lightroom. Click on Show Lightroom Develop Presets or similar options. This will open a folder on your system where Lightroom stores all the preset files. From there, copy the unzipped XMP files into this folder. Once you've pasted the files, restart Lightroom to allow the application to recognize and integrate your new presets. And now comes the exciting part. You can apply these presets to your photos to establish a consistent editing style. Begin by selecting a photo you wish to edit. Over on the left-hand side of your Lightroom workspace, you should now see your new presets listed. Click on each one to preview its effect on your image. This direct application allows you to experiment with different looks and moods with just a click, saving you time and making your editing experience much more efficient. By mastering this process, you can maintain a cohesive aesthetic across your images, making them uniquely yours. So go ahead, explore the creative possibilities that presets provide and let your creative vision flow effortlessly.